Ever dreamed of ditching the 9 to 5 and starting your own business? The freedom, the challenge, the chance to be your own boss, it's an intoxicating dream. But then reality hits. You need funding, permits, legalese, and a bank account. That last one might seem simple, but for many small business owners, traditional banks can be a maze of red tape and slow processes. That's where companies like Tide come in. They offer a new wave of financial services specifically designed for the needs of small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. So, if you're thinking of starting a business or you're already in the trenches, you might have come across Tide. But who exactly is behind this company aiming to shake things up in the business banking world? Let's dive deeper and answer the question, who owns Tide Bank? Well, hold on a second. Tide actually isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It's a financial platform, a fintech company, that provides a suite of financial services specifically for businesses. This means they partner with established banks to offer features like business accounts, debit cards, and even access to loans. So, while Tide doesn't hold your deposits directly, it acts as a one-stop shop for managing your business finances. It simplifies the process and aims to be quicker and more user-friendly than traditional banking. Now, back to the ownership question. The story of Tide starts with a man named George Bevis. Bevis, a former banker himself, saw the struggles faced by small businesses when it came to banking. Long application processes, limited features, and a lack of understanding of the specific needs of SMEs, these were all pain points Bevis wanted to address. In 2015, with the vision of a more streamlined and supportive financial experience for small businesses, Bevis founded Tide. He wasn't alone in this venture. Joining him was Eileen Burbidge, a prominent figure in the UK's tech investment scene. Burbidge became the chairman of Tide, bringing her expertise and network to the table. Since then, Tide has grown significantly. It boasts hundreds of thousands of business members and has become a major player in the UK's fintech landscape. While Bevis stepped down as CEO in 2019, the company continues to champion his original vision of empowering small businesses through innovative financial solutions. So, there you have it. Tide isn't owned by a single person, but rather it's a company built on the vision of George Bevis and supported by the guidance of experienced figures like Eileen Burbidge. Their aim? To make business banking a breeze for the countless entrepreneurs who are the backbone of the economy. Of course, the ownership structure of a company can evolve over time. With Tide's ongoing growth, there's always the possibility of future acquisitions or partnerships. But for now, the company remains independent, focused on serving the needs of its ever-growing community of small business owners. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.